Hello fellow collectors and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at the Zenkai buckle from Kikai Sentai Zenkaiger. Now you'll notice that this is not designated as the DX Zenkai buckle because there's really nothing DX about it. It doesn't have any sound effects or lights. It is a rectangular piece of plastic that you can store gears in that comes with a belt loop so you can wear it as a giant belt buckle. Yeah, so that's what it is. But the main reason to pick this up is because it does come with 3 DX gears. So you can see we have number 25 Zenkai Gowon gear, number 29 Zenkai Majin gear, and number 30 Zenkai Broom gear. So pretty excited for that. That's going to round out our team. The first 2 came with the GearTlinger, and then this will give us all 5 of our main teammates' gears. So pretty excited for that. But you have Zenkaiger real big here on the front of the box, and then you have a nice headshot of all 5 there on the top. I think that looks pretty cool. Not too much going on the bottom. Over here just kind of shows off the belt buckle and the 3 gears. Over on this side you have a pretty cool group shot. I like that. And then on the back it literally just shows you that it opens up. You can put the gears inside. And then I guess it shows you how to put the loops. There's probably not instructions inside because this is literally everything you need to know about this toy. It just tells you how to feed the belt straps in through the belt buckle so you can wear it. And then it shows you everything that's in the box over here. 2 belt straps, 2 loops, the actual box, and the 3 gears. Now I'm not going to bother taking the belt straps out of the box. I don't wear these, so I'm literally just going to show off the rectangle and then the 3 gears, and we'll go from there. So let's get everything out of the box, and we'll take a closer look. So here you go, we have the buckle itself, which is just a large rectangle. It's got some nice gold chrome here on the front, and then you just go ahead and pop this open. And there you go, it holds 6 gears. So you can take your gears and you just drop them right in. They fit very nicely. We can bring in Zenkaiger and Juran and store all 5 that I have so far. There you go, boom. This is where you would feed the belt straps in if you were bothering to do that. But yeah, that's really, it's just a giant rectangular belt buckle. There's not too much to show off with it, to be honest. It does hold 6 gears very nicely though. And there you go. If you'd like to wear it around, you just feed, you could probably get a regular, if you had a regular belt, you might be able to feed it through here. It doesn't look like there's anything hanging. As long as it was thin enough, you could feed something through there and then anyone could wear it if you have a belt big enough for yourself. So, it's a belt buckle. I'm going to put that off to the side. Let's take a look at these gears. So we will start off with Zenkai Gowon. Again, nice metallic paint used. Kind of a goldish color scheme here. Number 25. This is based off of Gao Ranger. And then you have the Zenkaiger symbol there on the back. Next up we have number 29, Majin, based off Magi Ranger. Really nice metallic pink there. I like that a lot. That really sparkles and shines. I mean, it doesn't sparkle like Zenkaiger, but it's very bright and fun. And then we have number 30, Vroom, based off Bokenger. Trying to get the light to cooperate. There you go. So very cool, very nice gears here. Let's go ahead and bring in the GearTlinger. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start with Gowon. So yeah, that sound effect continues to be the same. Next up, Majin. Oh, so it does say Majina. Because it's written as Majine, but then Matt Hunt told me it was Majin, so I don't know. Alright, there, to that time it says Majin, so I don't know. All turned around. I guess technically either is probably fine. And last but certainly not least, Vroom. And there you go, that's all three of the new gears. So at the end of the day, it's your basic Sentai gimmick item storage belt buckle set. There's really nothing going on here. We've seen this several times before. They really only come out when they have gimmick items because it's just a way to lock a couple DX gimmick items into this belt buckle set. The belt buckle doesn't really do a ton. It is what it is. I mean, hey, if you want a cool little storage device, I don't mind having it, honestly, personally. I like having the little storage devices. It holds 6 gears. You know, I wish it held a lot. I feel like if they're going to do one of these, especially for something like these gears, where they're relatively small and flat, they could actually store a bunch. I would have liked to seen, you know, a belt buckle that could hold 10 or 15. Now, obviously, that would make it quite large and he'd be running around with a giant rectangle on his belt, but I just think it would be fun if you're going to do a storage device, make it worth it. You know what I mean? Make it store a bunch. But in any case, it's a gray rectangle. It is what it is. You know what it is going into it. If you just want the gears, there's going to be other ways to get the gears. These are the main transformation gimmicks for the team, so they're going to be available in Gashapon and Candy Toy formats. And with the gears, they're not super different, honestly, from Gashapon to Candy Toy to DX. It's not like, oh, the DX has sounds and the other ones don't. That's not the case here. So if you really don't care about the belt buckle at all, you could skip this release and just get these 3 Sentai gears from Candy Toy or Gashapon sets. They'll be around. People who bought this and eventually get doubles, you know, they'll probably be selling there. So they'll be around. So it's up to you. If you want the belt buckle, pick this set up. If you don't, just find these gears somewhere else. Shouldn't be too difficult. For me personally, I like having it because I do kind of like the fun little storage device, but I can understand some people don't care at all. So it's up to you. Your mileage is going to vary on this set, but I think the gears are great. So whichever way you get the gears, definitely get a set of these gears, whether you go for this set, Candy Toy, Gashapon, whatever. Get yourself these 3 gears some way because they're fun. A lot of great transformation sounds and attack sounds and everything in the GearTlinger. And of course, it's the main 5 transformation gimmicks. You're going to want them. So anyway, like I said, your mileage is going to vary on this set, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, thanks so much for watching.